Hey, what is up, guys? It is John here, and just to start off, most of you that might be watching it, some of you that might be watching it know who I am. But as the title says, this YouTube video is kind of focused on helping those who have a screen reader work with their blog, or how to navigate, should I say, on the blog. And I'm going to give you some really good tips here, because the thing is when someone like myself, when I discovered this myself, I would be looking on YouTube for, information on tips on, how to do this with the blog, how to do that with the blog, and, decided, and no offense if you're sighted watching this, but they show a screen, but they're not really giving enough detail to someone that can't see the screen on exactly what's going on, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you the details on what you need to do to make sure that you're putting in your keywords, to make sure that you're making your keywords bold, to make sure you're doing your headers, to make sure that you're doing all these different things with the blog. So on this one, this is really more of an introduction, and what I want you to do, if you are wanting to get information and videos and the updates for when I do the updates on these videos, if you're wanting that information, I need you to sign up to an email list. This is not a spam list, guys. This isn't a list for me to, throw other products at you. Maybe even you already got your own blogging going somewhere else. If you're using the same type of blogging, or maybe you're already involved in Power Network, but you're having struggles because of the screen readers not doing the things you needed to do. Because, for example, when you're in the body, in order to activate some of them buttons, you have to have the text highlighted. Well, the screen reader, that's fine. Let's select it with the screen reader. That highlights it. But as soon as you Alt-Tab out of that, or try to hit a hotkey, it just takes you out of that edit box, and it unhighlights the text that you're trying to make bold, or that you're trying to add the headers to, and whatnot. So hopefully I can get in touch more with some of the tech people and try to make it even more accessible. But the point is I want to help you guys. I want to be able to give you information so that you're not having to go through the same thing that I did. Spending, an hour or 2 hours trying to figure out how to, make something, either with bold text or with headers, or, etc. So, what I want you to do, because guys, I want to know that you really want to do this. So the way I'm doing this, instead of me having you go to a page or anything like that, what I want you to do is, anytime between the hours of 7 a.m. Eastern Time and 6 p.m. Eastern Time, I want you to call the number 1-800-649-1844. There's going to be two options when you get connected. One, you can directly connect to me or one of my other people here that can answer the phone. Or two, you can leave a message. I want you to first try to connect with me, because if you can't, then it's going to take you back and you can leave a message. But I want you to call and try to get in touch with me and have me manually add you to the list that I create. Now, the second solution is this. You can email blogger, BLOGGER, at aandemarketing.com. Put in the subject blogging accessibility, and then I want you to obviously tell me what your email is in the body too, just in case the screen reader is not reading your email right, because sometimes when I get emails it just shows the name instead of the full email. I don't know why, but it does. But I want to help you guys get past that point. And also, if you're not involved in any type of blogging at all, and you're watching this, and you are, thinking about doing some type of blogging, maybe you run a business and you're trying to find a way, and for some reason you clicked on this even though it says right in the title, okay, go check out the website aandemarketing.com. Alright? Because like I said, I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm not here to buy you or anything like that. This video here is mainly going to be focused on, actually not even mainly, fully focused on making sure that I keep you guys updated on things that I learn that makes the blogging easier for us who cannot, see the screen, obviously. So this is going to be a good help to everybody out there that uses screen readers to be able to blog and be able to, because it is very important, guys, when you're blogging that you do make your keywords bold. It's very important that you do use your H1 tags and your H2 tags. That stuff is important, and I'm going to show you how to do all of that. So within the next 30 days or so, you're going to be able to do all this on your own, because I'm going to show you every little bit that you need to do. Okay? I'm going to give you all the tips and all the tricks that's going to help you navigate and set up different things. For example, before I let you go, on the blogging, if you are a Empower Network member and you're in your blogging thing and you can't figure out why the hotkeys are not working, I'm going to tell you how to fix that right now. If you're an Empower Network member and you're logged into your blog page, to your control panel, so to speak, to your panel, your admin panel, you're going to go to Profile. And under Profile, when you arrow down, you're going to come across something that says Enable Hotkeys, checkbox not checked. Hit your space bar, check mark that, and that's going to fix that solution. Go down, hit Apply. I think it's Apply or Save, one or the other. But do one or the other. That'll fix that. And that way, when you blog and you're ready to start blogging, you'll be able to hit the Alt-P button, Alt key plus P, and it will publish it automatically. And I don't know if sighted people use those hotkey functions or not. Maybe they designed it for people for accessibility, and they're doing their best. And I give them all thumbs up, because the screen does look good. It's laid out nice. There's adjustments that you can do. And guys, I'll be honest with you, even though I'm doing my blogs every day with my networking that I'm doing in my business, I'm also doing things, even doing blogs that don't make no sense, just to see what the different things is that I can do to better rate, one, the SEO, okay, and also putting in them headers and making the keywords bold and all that. And I'm also going to be giving you tips. So guys, if you're not signed up to the list but you see an update, I will be giving tips, and I'll put a title in there that's separate from, instead of it saying anything about accessibility or JAWS users blogging or whatever. Watch the videos, because I'm going to show you some stuff that's very important when it comes to your title and to your body and to your SEO with the Empower Network blogging system. Very, very important, because if you don't get them things right, and if you don't learn how to do that, you're always going to have a low percentage, which means you're never going to show up on the first page of Google. And my goal, is to make sure that you show up on the front page. Okay? And it's really not as hard as what people think. It's real simple. That's why this blogging system works out so well. And again, if you're not a member of the Empower Network, you need to go to that website, and you need to watch the video right there on the front page, and you need to join a team, because this is the easiest way, the simplest way to make loads of money, and so much more that's beyond the time for me to even describe to you in this video of the benefits that you'll get. And I know that if a person like me I know if I can do it, I know you can do it. So if you're not, go there and check it out, because I'm not going to go on about selling or you need to sign up. I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying if you are looking, I'm throwing it out there to you so you know about it. So anyways, keep an eye out for more videos. Guys, call that number. And if you can't call that number, send out that email. If you get an email back, you know, there could be some maintenance going on or something, then you're going to have to call me and let me know, hey, I'm trying to send that email. It's coming back and it's saying that it's not going through. So it's really good if people can leave feedback on my, you know, on the page itself here on YouTube. That way I kind of know what's working, what's not working. And also, it's really good to get your guys' feedback on how you think my videos are, and etc. But I promise you, you stick with me, and I'm going to make sure that you're going to be blogging just like the rest of the people are that are sighted, and it's going to be just as good, if not better. Until then, this is John. I'll see you next time.